In this video, we're going to take a look at a live day trade on ticker symbol ROKU, where I take a short position with put options for a $200 profit in less than 5 minutes. Stick around to see more. Welcome back to Trade with Resolve. If you're new to the channel and interested in viewing live day trades, platform tutorials, or stock market training, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more. I'm currently watching ROKU here, and we have quite a bit of selling pressure this morning, as you can see here by this red engulfing candlestick. So at this point, I am interested in a potential short opportunity. Let's see what happens with the price action. All right, so I am entering into the trade here. I went ahead and bought 8 contracts at 142.5. Let's see if the price of ROKU can continue lower. So I am all out of the trade for a $217 profit. This trade lasted about 4 minutes and it equated to roughly a 20% gain overall. So remember, with this particular trade, we were able to identify clear selling pressure based off of that first 2-minute candlestick, and then we saw continuation to the downside with high volume. I hope you enjoyed this live day trade, and if you did, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.